Tree of Knowledge presents the benefits of ginger. Ginger has been widely used for centuries, not just for its distinctive flavor but also for its impressive health benefits. This spice is loaded with nutrients and bioactive compounds that have powerful benefits for your body and brain, making it a must-have ingredient in your diet. One of the most celebrated benefits of ginger is its ability to soothe digestive disturbances. It can help relieve nausea, a common symptom experienced during pregnancy, chemotherapy, and after surgery. Ginger accelerates the emptying of the stomach without any negative side effects, making it a natural remedy for people suffering from dyspepsia or chronic indigestion. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can help manage osteoarthritis by reducing pain. Ginger also plays a significant role in fighting infections and boosting the immune system. Its active ingredient, gingerol, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This not only helps in lowering the risk of infections but also prevents various types of illnesses. Studies have shown that ginger can inhibit the growth of different types of bacteria, especially oral bacteria linked to inflammatory diseases in the gums, such as gingivitis and periodontitis. Moreover, its antiviral properties make it beneficial in treating flu and cold symptoms. Incorporating ginger into your diet is simple and can provide a multitude of health benefits. Whether it's added to your meals, consumed as a tea, or taken as a supplement, ginger can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. Its natural properties support digestive health, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the immune system, making ginger a valuable ally in maintaining overall health and well-being. Ginger's versatility goes beyond its culinary uses. Its health benefits are truly remarkable. From aiding digestion to fighting infections and reducing inflammation, ginger proves to be a powerhouse of nutrients. Its ability to alleviate nausea, assist in managing osteoarthritis, and even combat oral bacteria showcases its diverse range of benefits. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, whether through cooking, brewing tea, or taking supplements, you can harness its healing properties to promote overall well-being. Embrace the goodness of ginger and embark on a journey towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications.